Hey everybody, today we are going over a new indicator just released on TradingView. We are just now starting to release some of our indicators. We hope that you will find them and like them. So what I'm going to do today is, again, this is the VWAP Trend Execution System. It's the core version. It's designed to basically help you learn how to use VWAP better, more effective. And as you get profitable trades, we can upgrade you to a pro version that has some more bells and whistles. But what we want to do first is make certain you're a profitable trader. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and hit play after I share with you what this is doing. First thing is the trend. Trend can be up or down. How we decide if it's up or down is it green or red? This is the whole fast moving average. This little gray line here is the slow moving average. When they cross is when the trend changes. Okay, so then the next thing is VWAP. This is the VWAP line right here. It's the orange line. When the price goes above the VWAP, you're in a bull state. When it's below, it's a bear state. If you're doing searches on VWAP indicators, you probably already know this. We are soon going to show you how it works and how reactive it is. We use the whole moving average because that's one of the fastest moving averages. You can see how it hugs the price line. So this is designed to act quick. And you're going to see how it does act quick. Now, this is 15 minutes happening for every second. So we're in ultimate turbo mode. Let's go ahead and see how it works. So you can see right now we're a confirmed up state when that's about to cross to red. So we saw it go down. We went under VWAP. Oh, let me show you something really quick. I was going to show you later, but hey, this is a great time. You see this verified badge. The down triangle means it broke down underneath the VWAP. The check mark is it confirmed that. So that's the second bar. We don't want it just to, go up, down, up, down, up, down. We want to get verifications. So the way you get to that is we have a bonus code right here. It's called verified. My theory is if you're taking the time to learn how to use the tools, then I'm going to give you a bonus, and I consider you a verified trader on this product. So you can see if you did not enter that, bam. Okay, and this also kind of works where if it's not highlighted, then maybe you missed the initial run and you want to wait for the next time when it gets verified, because that will tell you you're closer to the break. So, and this also does open up some alerts as well. Again, after you watch this, go ahead and put a comment when you've made a couple of successful trades. If you would screen print it, put it in the comments, put it in the YouTube section. Let me know this is working for you. Now we're just going to let it play out, and there. Okay, so the hole's about to switch again. There it went. Now, is it going to go up above the VWAP? Yep, it's confirmed. Oh, came back underneath. Confirmed again, and it's off to the races.